Hey shisters, I'm Robin Taylor and here I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and giveaways. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing, man. Subscribe, dang. I didn't mean to come off really aggressive, I apologize. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a review of the new James Charles and Morphe palette. I actually am really excited to try this palette. One, because there's a huge fuss about it. Like, a lot of people have been saying good things about it. Well, for me, like, I don't know. I mean, I'm subscribed to him and I like his videos. I think out of all of the top beauty gurus, he's one of the most creative when it comes to video content and when it comes to makeup. I like his overall being. That's weird. I just like his vibe, you feel me? This is the James and Morphe palette, and I'm not gonna open it up because I'm nervous, so I'm not gonna open it up just yet. And then this is my Rinkadink 39A palette. So yeah, it's the same size as the 39A palette, and I believe it has the same amount of shades. Dang, I just messed it up. Yo. Oh, this is really pretty. So this was actually $39 with taxes, like 42 or something like that. I got it from Ulta because I was not gonna wait online because I was too anxious. When I buy something, I don't want to wait. I didn't even get it. I made my boyfriend go get it for me because like I was working. So this is the palette and it has so many beautiful colors. Now I'm really excited to try this and I hope that this is pigmented because with me being dark skinned, a lot of colors don't really show up that great on me. But I'm looking at this palette and it just looks really good. Like, it has all the colors of the rainbow. Rainbow colors, Thanksgiving, snow. This is really cute. Okay, so I don't know what look, but because he said unleash your inner artist, now I feel like I'm like obligated to do something with unleashing my inner artist. My favorite color is yellow, so I'm gonna go into this yellow one right here. And let's see how it looks on dark skin. Sis. Okay, that's doing something for me. I'm gonna add this pink shade. I feel like always with being dark skinned, I feel like we always have to go in a little bit more with the product. I heard not to set your eyes with concealer or powder because then it won't be as pigmented. This is actually working all right for me for the most part. Like, the deeper colors are showing up, like this pink one is really showing up and it wants me to unleash my inner artist, but you know, let's see what my inner artist can do because right now my inner artist, I don't know where she at. And like all these people are like doing like really creative, like awesome looks. Let me go in because I just want to do something like, ooh, this is a pretty color. This color right here, this color right here is a really pretty color. I really like the 39A palette. Y'all know, like, I really use that palette for like almost everything. But this palette right here has literally every color. It's so hard doing your eyeshadow with lashes already on. And I'm gonna go into this dark purple shade right here and I'm gonna use it to darken up the crease. I just went for a purple type of look, girl. I feel like if you're like a makeup artist, this is a good palette to have because you can create like fun looks. You can also create like neutral looks, glam, like bold looks. I'm gonna take some a little up here. Okay, listen. Okay, so listen, don't judge me because like people were really creating some really nice looks and here I am looking like a purple raccoon. I don't care. It's not done yet. That green, that's the green he used. Let me see if that green pops on my eye like that too. All right, so one color that immediately like just drew me super close was this purple color right here. It's so shimmery and beautiful, and I don't think I've had a purple shimmery color like that before, if ever, in a palette. Also, you know, I'm still like kind of new to the game, you feel me? So, you know, I'm still trying to up my eyeshadow palettes and stuff. But I feel like this is a palette that if you don't want to really buy a lot of palettes, you just come to this one. It has all the colors of the rainbow. So for this one, okay, hold on. This is something serious. Let me spray. All I got was negative. Oh, this purple is so pretty. You guys want to know why my eyelashes look like this? Because I know somebody's gonna come for me. They've been done for like 2 weeks now, and I'm supposed to get them redone. But I was talking to this girl to do my lashes for me, but she's not replying. Like, sis, you want money or not? Like, now my eyelashes look really bad. And I'm doing this video, and then I'm gonna go back in with a little of a pink. The way my eyelashes are set up. So let me just dip into this. This is like a purple that kind of has some blue shimmer in it. This is what it looks. If you want it to be a little more pigmented, then the best thing to do is to put some setting spray on it and then put it on your eyes. As far as I can say, let me test the formula compared to the 39A palette. With the 39A palette, this is how the shimmery ones look. In the James Charles palette, I'm gonna go to a color that's very similar to the one I put on, and that's this one right here. And then I'm gonna put it right next to it. So one thing that I can say about the palette is the powders from the James Charles Morphe palette, although I really like the colors, I honestly really do. Only thing is the powders in this palette, they're a little more powdery and dry. As for the 39A palette, it's a little more creamier. Like the shimmer colors here are a little more creamier. The shimmer colors here are more powdery. Now the pigment is nice, however, like these are two of almost the same color and they're both shimmery shades. I just wanted to show you guys like how it looks. I mean, I could test another one for you guys to see. Don't come for me, I'm just saying. So for the 39A palette, I'm gonna swatch this black right here and I'm gonna put it on this side. And that's for the 39A palette. And then I'm gonna go into the James Charles one. Yeah, for the James Charles one, I think I like this black more. So I like the James Charles black better than the 39A palette black. Although this one's creamier. This one is definitely creamier. This one's more pigmented. So, I mean, it's all with what you prefer and all what you want to work with. I just know a lot of these shades are matte. And I like that because I believe you can create more looks with matte shades than with shimmer shades. And that's just me. I mean, I do like it. It looks really nice. I love the packaging. I like that there is a plain white. This is what the plain white will look on dark skin, my dark skin. And it appears better. It looks better on camera right now. It's kind of still translucent, low-key. I mean, I really do like the palette. I think that the palette is a good palette for a lot of people who want to create new looks, especially for new makeup artists that want to experiment with how to create different looks. So I do like the fact that he said unleash your inner artist, and it really does dare you to create different looks because, you know, low-key at the end of the day, like I never would have done this. I probably would have done this. No, I probably wouldn't have done this. Because I see other colors in here, I am tempted to create different looks. I'm also doing a giveaway on the highlighting palette from Fenty Beauty and another Fenty Beauty highlighter, and the rules to that giveaway will be right here, so make sure you watch that video and check it out to enter. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe because you know it's lit over here, you feel me? Until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.